In Massachusetts, there are a number of rebates and incentives that many homeowners can take advantage of. Through the Mass Save program, which many homeowners, if you're in a participating utility area, so it's National Grid, Eversource, Unitil, amongst a couple others, that program has a very generous heat pump incentive program, which in 2026, you can have a whole home rebate that is $2,650 up to $8,500. So that's a bit of a shift there. There's also a partial rebate, and that's for people who are looking to keep their existing system, natural gas or oil, and integrate that system with it. It transitions in 2026 to $1,125 up to $8,500 there. So in addition to that, through that same program, there's what's known as the heat loan, and this is a 0% loan for up to $25,000. Generally, the terms on these are about 5 years. Again, that could shift at any time. But for eligible customers, that's a great incentive for you to take advantage of. And then if you're in a town that's not participating in the Mass Save program, for example, you're a municipal customer, a lot of those towns have incentives that match the Mass Save program. So you might want to look at your own town's utility just to see if there are any additional incentives or incentives of their own that you want to take advantage of in addition to or in replacement of Mass Save. The best news of all of this is that Endless Energy is both a Mass Save home performance contractor, which means we can conduct your Mass Save home energy assessment, which is needed if you're looking to pursue the heat loan or if you're looking to take advantage of weatherization or required to if you're moving forward with a whole home heat pump. And so that's something that we can do for you. We're also a member of the Mass Save Heat Pump Leader Network. And so that means we're held to the highest standards in terms of heat pump installation. So that's something that is really, really important to us as well.
For all your heating and cooling needs, you need Endless Energy.